So, hi all. So, we are from Brainiacs classes. So, here what we are going to discuss here is the expected cutoff for NEET 2020 in Tamil Nadu. So, this was prepared from our team of experts actually. So, here we have taken many factors into consideration. Okay, we will discuss that one by one. So, let's see what is there. So, first thing, what is there new? What's new in 2020 actually? So we can say the most important thing being the introduction of 11 new medical colleges, and we can say this is not yet confirmed yet, but we can say 6 new medical colleges are confirmed as per the latest update. So addition of 50 new seats in Kanyakumari Medical College happened. Okay, and 11 new medical colleges were introduced but not confirmed yet, and the total number of expected seats from the 11 new medical colleges will come around 11 into 150 seats per college, that is 1650 seats. Okay, so seats from, okay, I have already told you this, in this 11 new medical colleges 6 were confirmed actually, so we can say that 150 into 6, so that is 900 seats is coming to you extra in 2020. Okay, now let's see the total number of MBBS seats in Tamil Nadu. So in the last year we were having around 3250 seats. So this year we have this 3250 seats plus the 50 seats coming from Kanyakumari Medical College, extra allocated seats, and the seats in 6 new medical colleges, that is confirmed, it may increase. Okay, that is coming around 900, so totally the tally will come around 4800 seats. Okay, does this mean do you have this 4800 seats available as such? No, we will see the reality. So division of the seats, we can say in 2020 4000 out of this 4800 seats, we know that there is a state quota as well as there is something called all India quota is there. Okay, so state quota means 85 percentage of this 4800, that will come around 3570 seats, and all India quota means 15 percentage of this, that is it will come around 630 seats. So what is state quota? That is reserved for state students. That means a person, students in Tamil Nadu can avail this 3570 seats, and they can also avail all India quota seats, but their marks should be in, they will be then competing at national level. So their marks will be compared with students at national level. Here the marks will be compared with students among students that is present within the states. Okay, now we will see the reality. So seats in reality, that means we have 3570 seats as part of the state quota, but there are some reservations, as you know. So it is for ex-servicemen, sports person, and person with disability. They have 60 seats out of this, and we know that this year the government has come up with a new idea of 7.6 percentage reservation for government school students. So that means 7.6 percentage of 3570, that will come around 266 seats. So in actual reality, how many seats will be there? 3570 minus 266 minus this 60, that will come around 3234 seats for open category or for common, or I can say the available seats in reality. Okay, now seats allocated to various communities, we know that there are reservations outside this. So we say first one, OC means open category. We can say as a whole out of this 3234, 31 percentage of the seats is reserved for open category. That means anybody can apply for this open category seats, so that will come around 1002 seats. Okay, and next comes the backward class, minorities backward class. So they have the 26.5 percentage of 3234, that will come around 857 seats. And next come BCM, that stands for backward class Muslims. They have 3.5 percentage of 3234, that will come around 113 seats. And next is the MBC, that is the most backward class. For them 20 percentage of 3234, that come around 647 seats. And scheduled caste, they have 582 seats, 18 percentage. And scheduled caste Aruntadiyar SCA, they will have 16 percentage of this 582, because 16 percentage of 18 percentage, that they used to say. So 16 percentage of this 582, that means 93 seats. So we say 582 seats for SSC means 93 seats will be for SSCA and the remaining seats will be for SSC. And ST means 1%, that is 33 seats. This give you an idea regarding the seats that is allocated to various communities. Okay, so next, we will try to see the last rank and the score that is allotted in 2019 community wise. So if you are in open category and if you have a score of 520, I can say 520 is the score of the student or the student who got the last MBBS seat. Okay, so an open category student, if he scores 520, he was getting a medical seat, and any student who is getting less than 520 is not getting a medical seat under the open OC category. And for them the state rank was 938, and BC the score was 470. So any student above 470 or above was getting a medical MBBS seat, and below 470 was not getting a seat under the BC category. And similarly BCM 458, MBC it was 435, and SC it was 303 marks. Okay, SCA 301, and for ST it is 270. Okay, so let's see next. Okay, so next, the government colleges MBBS admission for open categories to candidates. This is very important slide actually. So here you will get a idea. So suppose you want to get into Madras Medical College. I can say in 2017, if you have a score, NEET score of 524 or above, you will get a medical seat in Madras Medical College. Now in 2018, you can see the trend has increased. So if you score 548 or above, then only you will get a seat in Madras Medical College. And in 2019, this score again went high, and that is 618. So a student scoring 618 or above will only get a seat in Madras Medical College if he belongs to open OC, open category. Very, very important. Okay, now what is the prediction? That is what is we are everyone is looking forward to. So 2020, the prediction says if you are getting a score of 640 or above, that is 640 plus, then you will get a seat in Madras Medical College. Similarly, you can see in Stanley Medical College, it is 581 in 2019, and now the prediction says it is 600 plus. And if it is Kilpauk, you will get 590 plus, then you will get in 2019 it is 559. Okay, okay, now similarly if you see Coimbatore Medical College, coming to Coimbatore, so you have last time 556 was the score. So this time the expectation is if you have 580 plus as the score, then you will get a seat under open category. So you can see here from KAP Trichy Medical College, so here 520 was the last cutoff mark. That means a student last year student who was getting 520 mark was able to get a medical seat under open category in a government college. And this year the prediction is 530, so 530 or plus. Okay, so let's see. You can see the other colleges. Vellore Medical College, it was 521, and this year the prediction is 531 or above. And ESIC Coimbatore, another important college. Here you could see 532 was the last year, and this year we are expecting 552 or above. And you can see here in many other colleges we have kept in nil here. What is the reason? Does that mean there is no seats in these government medical colleges? No, that is not the meaning. We know that only 31% of the total seats is has been reserved for open category. That we have already seen how much it is. You know that we have seen that. So that is just 1002 seats. So this 1002 seats got already filled up in all these 11 medical colleges, and when it comes to the other medical colleges, there is no further seats available under open category. That means 1002 seats are filled up already. So all these other medical colleges, government medical colleges, fill students from BC. Okay, that will have more seats actually. Okay, BC, BCM. So that is the idea. So don't think like whether nil, that means there is no seats. It is not like that. Okay, so if you see here, ESIC Chennai, this year the expectation is 530 plus. Okay, and you can see here Tiruvarur, different types of medical college, 24 medical colleges are there. Okay, now we will come to the next category, that is MBBS admission for BC, backward cost. So that is on 2019. You can see here Madras Medical College, it was 596 was the score. So if you are a belonging to a category of BC, and if you are able to score 596 last year, you are able to get a medical, you are able to get a seat there. So this year our expectation is 600 plus. So if you are belonging to a the caste BC, and if you are getting a marks of 600 plus or like that, you will get a seat in Madras Medical College. So this you can see for BC category it was 596 in Madras Medical College, and in Stanley it was 568, and Kilpauk 549, like that you could see here, and in Tirunelveli it was 503. And you can see here, uh, okay, you can see here how much it went up to. That is what everybody is curious in 2019. You can see here, okay, sorry, so you can see here, okay, so in 2019 it went even to a very low value of 483 it has went. Okay, you could see here the lowest 479 it has went. Okay, so if you belong to a category of BC, and if you are able to get 479 score, you are actually getting an MBBS seat in Tiruvarur Medical College. Okay, so this is the idea. Now we will go to the next slide, that is, okay, that is the fees in government medical colleges. So this is something, a relaxation for every parents. So you could see here, you just want to pay 13,600 rupees per year for if you get a seat in Madras Medical College. So if you see here, various colleges and its annual fees is given, and its corresponding hostel fees are also given. So you could see that the amount at the time of admission you need to carry. So 17,760 rupees is what you need to carry when you go for an admission in MMC, Madras Medical College, and this is 14,600 if you go for Coimbatore Medical College. Okay, those details are available in this slide. This will be very useful for parents. Okay, so this I have given in detail for almost all 24 medical colleges that is coming under. So you could see the which annual fees, hostel fees, and the admission fees at the time of admission. Okay, so this will be helpful for all students. Okay, so last comes the categories, the Karur Medical College. You just need to pay 14,800 per year. So all these are very good actually medical colleges. So if you are able to get a seat in this government medical colleges, that is the best, because you don't want to spend huge amount of money for your study of medicine. Okay, so next to see in private medical college, the story is totally different here. So the government has fixed around 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs per year, and that is in government quota. And if you go in management quota, this amount will come around 12.5 lakhs per year. Okay, you can see the list of the private medical colleges. So I have listed down that here. Okay, so coming to CMC Vellore, it is totally different. They have only management quota, and they have first year you need to pay 48,330, and in other years it is 31,000 rupees. Okay, and this slide is very important for students. Okay, so this slide talk about how many students are capable of getting marks above 675 plus. So it was nobody in 2017. In 2018 it come to 1, and in 2019 it was 3, and coming to 2020 the prediction is 5 to 7 students. The reason I will explain, there is a separate slide coming for that. And 650 plus it was 3, 2017 3, 2019 it come to 14, and this year the expectation is 50 to 60. Okay, so 625 plus 11 it was 758, and this year the expectation is 200 to 230, and 600 plus the most awaiting category. So here the prediction is 300 to 350 students. So that means 300 to 350 ranks it will come. And I will tell you one more thing. So those students who are able to score above 625 plus, please apply under all India quota. That will help the other Tamil Nadu students to get under the state quota. This is a humble request that will help you to get the same seat under all India quota. Okay, so here the worst thing is, if you are able to score 400 plus also, but you can see the expectation is more than 7,500 students coming. Actually in this case it is very difficult to get a seat. So I will tell the safe score and other thing in the coming slide. Okay, don't worry. So here, this is the most awaited slide. So here you could see, the safe score. If you are an open category student, what we will say is, if you are able to get a score of 540 above or 560 above, we say a prediction 540 to 560. So we say 540 above or maximum 560. So if you are able to get above that, I say you will get an MBBS seat, that is for sure, under government and government quota under OC category. And 580 plus, that is the safe mark. You can relax, you can take some relaxation. If you are getting 580 above, means you are sure to become a doctor, that is the prediction. And BC means you need to score 500, above 500 to 520 is your mark. So if you have scores above 500, okay, good. 520 above means okay. And if you are 540 plus, means that is safe, you will surely get a seat under BC category. And if you belong to BCM, the expectation is 480 to 500. So if you are getting above 480, okay, there is a good chance. And above 500, yeah, very good chance. But if it is 520 plus, sure you are going to become a doctor. Okay, so similarly, you can see here MBC 460 to 480 and 500 plus is a safe score, and SC 400 plus is a safe score, and SCA 375 plus, and ST it will come around 350 plus is a safe score. Okay, so this is very important for you. Please check your marks and correlate with this. Okay, so next, so coming, this is very important. What are the factors we considered for this? So very important. We know that this year AIMS will select students from the NEET list. So surely some group of students will go for AIMS. So there will be extra seats coming in that perspective. And we know that Corona pandemic was there. So this resulted in shifting of the exam and thereby giving more time of preparation. So what was the output of this? Because of this, you know that the plus two students, after their plus two, they have got sufficient time to undergo some coaching and get a sufficient score. And because of this, we can say the expected cutoff will go high. That is the reason why the prediction says little bit the cutoff is very high. And more number of coaching centers in Tamil Nadu, you have seen a huge hike in the coaching centers in Tamil Nadu. Variety of coaching centers in different names, different banners, and most of the students are getting the coaching this time. And you can see many coaching centers are giving even free coaching. So it's like almost all students are trained thoroughly before they write for NEET exam. So that is one very important factor. And the introduction of online NEET coaching, very very thing. This means NEET coaching is coming to your mobile phones, so you can spend many more time, anytime you can view the lectures and make use of it. So that is a very important factor. Then the availability of more preparatory materials from the net, and also the more number of model exams conducted by the NTA. So you know that as NTA has already reported, most of the students have written NTA exam, and they also feel most of the students have thoroughly prepared for this NEET exam. And the NEET 2020 exam paper was easy compared to NEET 2019. This is another huge, very important factor. So we can say because of this, the cutoff may go high. And one negative factor, panic in students due to Corona. This was one reason many students, if you see the total number of students who appeared for NEET exam, it was very less compared to, not very less, less compared to last year. Panic due to Corona. This can create a cutoff to go low. So this is one contradicting factor. And the last thing, we have taken feedback from various coaching centers in and across Tamil Nadu and students from Tamil Nadu, and based on that we arrived at the NEET prediction values. So hope you students, this will help you like anything. You can calculate your marks from Brainiacs classes. You could download the key and check it. Okay, so uh, anyway, thanks for patiently listening to this NEET cutoff. So my humble wish is that you all students, those who are not getting or those who feel the marks are very less, please spend this time very efficiently. Please go for a coaching and make use of this time effectively. Why I am saying this is, we have very less months ahead for the next NEET exam. So only way, the best way you can utilize this time is go for a good NEET coaching. I can assure you that Brainiacs classes is one of the best NEET coaching center in Tamil Nadu as well as in Coimbatore. It has only one branch that is located in Coimbatore. And the recent online classes is one of the best. You can just watch free videos, doubt clearance sessions directly from the YouTube. Just search Brainiacs classes, doubt clearance sessions, or just search Brainiacs classes. You will get sufficient videos to make you or to undergo training for NEET. So please make use of this, and I am wishing you all a bright and prosperous future ahead. Thank you.